As the sun slowly begins to set, golden light spills gently across the quiet forest. High above the ground, on a soft flower petal, a tiny baby squirrel curls into a warm little ball. Its soft brown fur glows under the golden hour light, tiny whiskers moving gently with each peaceful breath. After a long day of exploring the giant world around it, the little squirrel finally feels safe. The wind whispers through the leaves, and the forest becomes calm and still. In this small but beautiful moment, the tiniest creature finds the greatest peace. And as the last light of the sun fades away, the tiny squirrel drifts softly into sleep.